How you doing, everyone? Once again, it's been a while. Cooking Tips with G-Rod is back. Today, I'm gonna go a little off the reservation. You guys are probably not gonna be happy with this recipe, but what the hell? I'm doing a thing. I'm gonna stick to the a plant-based diet for 28 days, and I'm gonna see the effects of it. Because from what I've been told, a plant-based diet is probably the most healthiest diet that we have available right now, and it actually cures your body over time, which is scientifically proven better for you. And so we're gonna start with a black bean burger. This will be one of the few recipes I'm gonna be putting out for the next 28 days. So you're gonna start with some black beans. You can start with black beans out of a bag, which you would soak overnight, or you can just use the can, but just remember to put into a strainer and rinse them, because they're kept in sodium to preserve them longer in a can. So remember to rinse them and get the brine off them. Then you're just going to basically put them into a bowl, and you're going to crush them with a fork, which is pretty easy. Okay, we're back. So now that we have them mashed up like this, the best way is to use a fork. Don't use your hands, because I already experimented trying doing your hands. It's not efficient. A fork is the most efficient way to do this. So I use 2 cans of black beans because I'm going to make a little bit extra to freeze them. So if this was... So I'm using 1 bell pepper. So if you're using 1 can, it'll be half a bell pepper, medium diced, right? You can use an onion, which I'm using an onion medium small diced. I'm putting in scallions because I like scallions. So you can break it down, scallions and a half of an onion. Then you need 1 egg per 1 can, so I'm doing 2 cans, so I'm using 2 eggs, right? Then it's a half a cup of breadcrumb per 1 can. I'm using a cup here because I have 2 cans. And then you would add your spices. You can use some hot sauce spice. If I don't have that, I'm using Cajun. It's about a teaspoon of each, a tablespoon, however you deem fit. Chili powder, cumin, and salt and pepper. That's pretty much it. Basically, guys, you would be making a burger, and now you're gonna mix it up as you would make a burger, or as you would make a meatloaf, however you want to feel it. And then you would make a patty. And there you go. You have your black bean burger, which if you're gonna grill this, because it's not as stable as chopped meat would be or beef would be. If you're gonna grill this on a grill, use tin foil. If not, just put some parchment paper onto a baking sheet and throw it into your oven, okay? Thank you very much, and we'll be back next week for some little Super Bowl recipes. I'm going to get you ready for the big day. Thank you.